can add tax rules for the countries where you ship products. To do this, navigate to the Taxes menu. Then add a tax rate. Select the country from the drop-down menu. If you're required to charge tax on shipping in this country, type the tax name and tax rate for that country. You can enable Charge Taxes on Shipping. You also have the option to charge taxes on services and digital products. If you're creating tax rules for the United States or Canada, you can add state or province tax rules. Choose a state or province from the drop-down menu. Enter the sales tax rate, and then click Save. Local tax rules can apply to a single zip code or a range of zip codes in one state, so you can set tax rules compliant with various tax laws within one area. To do this, add a new tax rate or edit an existing tax rule and navigate to add a zip code rate. To add a tax rule for a single zip code, select Zip Code, add the zip code and tax rate. To add tax rules for a region or range of zip codes, click Zip Code Range. Then add the start and end zip codes and the tax rate for that region. You can edit or remove a tax rule by clicking the rule in the Taxes panel. Keep in mind, removing a country tax rule removes all state and local tax rules that apply to it. Also, removing a state tax rule removes all local tax rules for that state. With tax-inclusive pricing, customers pay a product's listed price at checkout instead of paying the listed price plus sales tax. This can be enabled from the Taxes menu. After setting up your rules, the tax applied to an order will display at checkout after a customer enters their address. The tax is based on the shipping address for physical product purchases and the billing address listed in the payment section for digital and service products, unless a physical product is purchased at the same time. Please let us know if you have any further questions. We're always here to help.